Hello everyone! Today we will analyze ADA, Cardano. At the moment the coin has been in a flat channel for a long time. In effect, the coin is in downtrend, and if you consider the coin as a global investment, we recommend that you don't enter a position until the coin leaves this downward channel. Here we have a downtrend, and until the coin goes beyond its aisles, it will not break it. At a given moment, we see a coin once touch it, at second time touch it, and therefore, until the coin breaks this trend, we don't recommend making a global investment. At this stage, the coin forms a certain triangle. Price walks in this triangle, and it will continue to walk in it, and of course it will go to best performance only when coin breaks this trend line. But you can still trade a coin from a level, and coin walks very well from level. And even in the current situation in this triangle, you can safely trade from levels here. And at this stage, many levels of 10%, 12% have formed in this triangle, and you can safely trade at this level. We draw the main coin levels on the chart, and now the coin has formed such a local uptrend. We can also conduct such a local trend and watch how the coin will recover from it. I think the coin doesn't have enough strength right in this trend to reach the main downtrend line. Also in April, the coin is scheduled to launch the main Shelly network. At the moment, we see that the volume are high enough and the big players didn't let price drop down. And we have many predicted that the price should have reached 0.15 or 0.14, but the buyers protect the position quite strongly. And in this situation, we can see that the rise took 44 days and the fall took 25 days. And at the moment, the seller of the coin is presenting more quantities than the buyer, and the coin needs to overcome a lot more effort to go up than down. And therefore, at the moment, you can simply trade the coin from the levels. And once again, it is globally to enter as an investment only after it breaks the main trend line. If you're trading Cardano to Bitcoin, then there is a similar, particularly the same situation there, and the coin broke through the main downtrend line and entered the flat market. In addition to this, we no longer see any result. In this moment, we see a minimal uptrend. Also, the main trend line is here, and of course, in any case, the price should come to this line. How much time is required for this, we do not know. Until there is a certain strong interest in the coin, this will not happen. And in order for the price to rise in the near future by 140%, this is cryptocurrency and everything is possible. And also to Bitcoin, the coin is very well traded from levels. A lot of levels have formed with a period of 10%, and it's very cool. And you can trade from the levels of 10% here. Also, you can trade bots of these levels back and forth. You can trade according to the system 20, 30, 50. We talk about in our course about this system. We can currently take advantage of the situation while a big player is gaining his position. And we can simply trade from these levels with an internal of 10% of successful trade from this level with a range of 10%. Thank you for watching successful trades, and see you in the next video.